In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Hurst Bands and Hurst Oscillator Indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy guide. We're going to walk through this together step by step so that by the end of this video, you'll have both the Hurst Bands and the Hurst Oscillator properly added to your TradingView Pro chart and ready to use in your analysis. Make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and have a chart open before you start following along. First, look at the top of your TradingView chart for the Indicators button. It's usually located near the toolbar above the price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where you can access all of TradingView's built-in tools, as well as community and custom scripts. Opening this panel is the starting point for adding any new indicator to your chart. Once the Indicators window is open, you'll see a search bar at the top. Move your mouse up to that search field so you can quickly find exactly what you need instead of scrolling through long lists. Click in the search bar to activate it and get ready to type. Now type Hurst Bands and Hurst Oscillator into the search bar exactly as you want to find it. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. You should see an entry for the Hurst Bands and the Hurst Oscillator Indicator appear in the list. Take a moment to confirm you are selecting the correct script that matches the name you just typed, then click on it. As soon as you do, TradingView will add the Hurst Bands directly onto your price chart, and the Hurst Oscillator will usually appear in a separate pane underneath, just like other oscillators. After the indicator is on your chart, you will want to fine-tune it so it matches your trading style. On the chart, hover over the name of the Hurst indicator you just added. You'll see a small settings icon appear next to it. Click on that settings icon to open the configuration window. Here you can adjust inputs such as lengths, smoothing options, or any visual preferences like line colors and thickness. Take your time going through these tabs so the Hurst Bands and Oscillator are easy for you to read at a glance. If you are not sure what a particular setting does, you can start with the default values and only make small changes as you get more comfortable. Finally, if you have not signed up for TradingView Pro yet, or you are using a basic plan, use the link in my video description to sign up. That way you can unlock the full charting features and ensure indicators like the Hurst Bands and Hurst Oscillator run smoothly and without limitations. Once you are set up with Pro and have followed these steps, you will be ready to incorporate Hurst analysis into your regular trading workflow.